How can I change the default shortcut in Windows for closing programs? I like the Close Program keyboard shortcut in macOS X, which is +Q. Nice and convenient for hand placement. In Windows, however, the equivalent shortcut is Alt+F4, a little awkward. Is there a way to change the default keyboard shortcut to Alt+Q or Control+Q? I'm using Windows 7.
Get Auto Hotkey. Open Notepad and paste the following. Save it as an UC file, run it and try it out. If it works, stick it in your startup folder and you are good to go. The above code simply maps Control+Q, Alt+F4. If you want it to be Alt+Q, then replace the with A. If you can't get Auto Hotkey, I've compiled the above script for you and uploaded it here. This URL. Download and enjoy. By the way, you do know that Control+W closes a window in any application already, right?
To change Windows to suit a Mac user, see this article, Key Remapping in Windows. It contains an auto hotkey script that maps many Windows keys to their Mac equivalents. To build a new keyboard layout, see the Microsoft Keyboard Layout Creator, which lets you manipulate all keys and their combinations. As the original article has disappeared from the web, I copy below the auto hotkey script.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.